Short
Yes.
answer question.
Yes, Srihari.
Question number 17. Draw
Yes.
a shape using a rectangle and a triangle. Repeat the shape twice by turning through one.
Repeat the shape. Repeat the shape twice
by turning through quarter turn clockwise each time.
Yes, draw a shape using a rectangle and a triangle. So you are going to draw a shape of rectangle and a triangle. Okay. The next one. Rectangle and a triangle. Each one repeat the shape twice by turning the shape through quarter turn clockwise each time. So you can draw a rectangle and a...
I can't see the board.
Who cannot see the board? You can draw one rectangle and one triangle. This is the shape you are going to draw it.
Ma'am, Aditi, can we draw a shape like an arrow?
No, triangle and rectangle. This is one rectangle and the other one is triangle. Then repeat the shape twice. 2 times you have to turn it. So what is the anti-clockwise direction, Aditi? Which direction it will come?
Ma'am, the direction which clocks move to the left to the right.
So this is 90-degree clockwise, quarter turn. Again it will be coming down.
Excuse me, ma'am, Felix.
Yes, tell me. Yes, Felix.
We should write all the turns. We should draw all the turns.
Yes, first turn is, this is first turn. That is the given. One rectangle and a triangle. This is quarter turn. Half turn you can write. So this is straight, it will come down straight again like this. Again, if it is rotating like this one also quarter turn. Clockwise each time. Draw a shape.
Should draw the turns.
Yes, 3 figures you should draw it.
Ma'am, in the third figure you wrote quarter turn. It's half turn.
All quarter turn. Both are quarter turns only. 2 times. Draw a shape using a rectangle and a triangle. Repeat the shape twice by turning through 1/4 turn. That is quarter turn. Quarter turn means 1/4 turn. Both are same, clockwise each time.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask a doubt?
Yes, you can ask your doubt.
Ma'am, it is given repeat the shape twice by running through 1/4, right? So that's why only that shape is in down.
Twice. This is first time you are rotating here.
Yeah, ma'am. So the last one is
last
about.
one again you are coming down. Again you are turning back down.
Okay, ma'am. That twice means
like
right.
Because it is rotating in the clockwise. So this
okay,
here it came again. What is the next shape? It will be like this straight.
Now we can do the next question, ma'am.
Yes, next question.
Ma'am, I don't understand. Can you tell it
Ma'am,
again?
Felix finished
Yes.
the 17th question.
17th.
Ma'am, I don't understand. Ma'am, I don't understand. Can you
Tell
repeat
your
it
name.
again?
I will explain. Others you can.
Can I ask it out, Riza?
Yes,
Siddhi.
Siddhi is clearing her doubt.
Siddhi.
Afterwards, Risa. Yes, Siddhi. Tell me. What is
Ma'am,
your doubt? Yes, Siddhi.
Ma'am, I don't understand it. Ma'am, I don't understand the 17th question. Can you explain
17th
it
question is
again?
nothing but they told about. So if you are having doubt, you can also listen. That is why I am telling one by one to answer. Yes. This is the figure of a rectangle and a triangle. Okay. That is the given figure. So you can draw anywhere. Here also you can draw it. Anywhere you can draw and find the answer for it. So the shape should be one triangle and a rectangle. So you can draw here. This is the shape you are getting. Afterwards, you are turning quarter turn. Quarter turn means what? 90 degree you are rotating in the clockwise. So this arrow will be pointing towards straight. Is it clear, Siddhi? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Afterwards, this end point will come down because it is rotating like this. You are rotating this figure like this.
Should we need to color this?
Clockwise.
Ma'am, Manzima.
Yes.
Should we need to color?
Yes. Color it.
Ma'am, yes, ask.
Yes. Risa, what is your doubt? You can ask me your doubt. Same doubt? Risa?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am, Sarah.
Ma'am, I finished Felix.
Can you show once more?
Yes. Why?
Ma'am,
wait.
Felix.
Don't say
Ma'am,
together.
can you hear me, Riza?
Yes, Risa. Tell me your doubt.
Ma'am,
All others mute.
Ma'am, Sri Hari, can we color the?
If you want to color it, you can color it. No problem. Yes. Yes, Risa.
Ma'am, finish.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we can color it with
You
any
can color
color.
it. You can color it. Yes, Risa. Tell me your doubt.
Ma'am,
Clear it.
I have drawn like this.
Oh.
Now we should draw an arrow down.
Yes. Next down, you have to draw the arrow because it is turning clockwise. Cleared your doubts?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Sarah finished, ma'am.
Sarah finished. Don't say
Ma'am, we
that
can color it with any color.
you can give any color if it is don't get late. Okay. If it is left to you, if you want to color it, you can color it. Otherwise, leave like that because they did not color it. Is it clear now? Anyone is having doubt?
No,
Not
ma'am.
Okay, is it clear? Three figures you should draw it. First one is in the clockwise direction. Then next one. Now who is reading here?
Ma'am, Felix.
Yes, Felix already read now.
Yes, Felix.
Siddhi.
Yes.
Siddhi.
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 Can you look at this?
Yes, yes. Yes, Adidev, you can color it. Good. So Mayuk, Nainika, Navaneet, Nasniya, did you read the question?
Ma'am, is it correct?
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, read.
Anjima is
Ma'am, we reached my dear. Ma'am, we
Please
reached my
don't
dear
talk
till.
in
Ma'am,
together.
we reached till my dear.
Yes, Maria.
We reached. We reached till my dear, ma'am. Roll number. Now next personally after my dear only.
Next Maria. Okay, Maria, you can read the 18th question now.
Maria read, ma'am.
Maria read.
No, ma'am.
Maria
Okay, let her
read
read.
after my dear.
Don't
Because
fight.
she was having a network issue.
My dear,
No, ma'am, she didn't read.
Don't
Mute everyone.
She read.
Yes, Maria. Maria, Mayuk all read, I think, yesterday. No?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. They read.
Yes.
All the students.
Mute.
Unnimaya, you can read now. No fighting now. Unnimaya, you can read. Where is she? No. Tanvi,
Ma'am, I did not get chance.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Tanvi.
Can I read?
Yes, Tanvi, you can read. Now others, please mute.
Draw the shapes after a 1/2 turn of the given shape.
Yes. Given. How many figures are given? Two figures.
Two figures.
Two figures are given. So half turn. Can you draw the figure by yourself? Let me see. Don't shout. One by one, you should show the answer. Okay.
And we should draw the two shapes and the half
Draw
turn.
one shape. Then I will write the answer if you are not getting. Okay. You try to do it. Yes, correct, Aditi. It is correct. Now, please.
And Aditi, should we color it?
Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am,
Now,
it's clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Ma'am, Aditi, should we color it?
if you want to color it, you can color it. Draw the shape after a half turn. They did not. Yes, who is that? Yes, Aditi.
Should we draw it in clockwise or
They
anti-clockwise?
did not mention. You can do it according to your wish. Clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Ma'am, we cannot color it right.
You can color it. It is correct. Yes. Please mute now. Raise your hands. Who is that unmuting now? Devarsh, finish drawing.
Ma'am, Felix over.
Over. Okay, very good. Triangle is not correct, Felix. In the reverse order, you should draw it. Others, please mute if I am talking to anyone. Yes, Devarsh.
Ma'am, I correct.
Okay, correct. Correct, very good. Yes, Devarsh. Okay, who is that? Aditya, you, I saw. Yes, very good. Very good. Next problem you can start doing.
Ma'am, Manjima.
Yes, Manjima.
Can I?
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, like this, correct?
No. This triangle base should come up. Now it is correct. Little bit big figure you draw it.
Okay,
Big
ma'am.
figure you draw it. Because this one is looking very.
Ma'am,
Yes. Manjima, finish.
look at this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, very good. Tanvin, did you complete?
Ma'am,
Yes. Raise your hands, I told. No need of calling me. Yes. Sarah.
Adidev.
Yes, Sarah. One more triangle you can draw it. Where is Adidev?
Siddhi. Siddhi.
Yes, Siddhi. I cannot see you.
Ma'am, Adidev.
Adidev, wait.
Ma'am, can you see it now? Can you see it?
Yes,
Can you see it?
Janvi's triangle, how you drawn? Yes, correct. Yes, who is that? Nainika, did you complete? Adidev, I cannot see.
Ma'am, Srihari. Can you
Me also, I cannot see you.
Ma'am, Srihari.
I cannot see you, Srihari. Yes.
Ma'am,
Now I can see you, but I cannot see your figure. Yes. who is-
Ma'am, Felix. Felix.
Felix completed. No, already I told you. Dia, did you complete?
Ma'am, I have drawn a bigger figure.
Yes, Nainika, very good. Yes, Felix, correct. Now it is correct. Siddhi, I checked it.
Ma'am, Rudra.
I told you to raise hands. I will cut
Can you
the
see
marks for
mine
you.
now?
One by one, I will cut the marks.
Please note everyone, ma'am.
This
Ma'am,
exam, I
mute.
will cut the marks now. Simply they are shouting. Please mute. Raise your hands, I will check it. Yes, Maria, did you complete? Yes, Mayuk, I am checking now. Yes, very good. Those who are talking now, I will cut the marks. I will write and keep the names here. I am telling you now itself. Please mute. Yes, Rudra? Correct. Yes, Juvan? Correct. Yes, very good. Dia? Dia's figure. Yes, correct. Rian Sibijoy, did you complete? Okay, very good. All are raising their hands. Srihari, he completed. Okay, very good. Manav, okay, very good. Avantika, okay.
Color it.
Fiza, completed now. Very good. Yes.
We can color it.
Yes. Vinny Siju. Who is that? Vinny Siju? Yes, change your name. Thanvin, Adidev, completed now. They are raising their hands. Please don't call me. Don't call me. Please raise your hand.
Excuse me, ma'am, Hrithvi.
Yes,
When I color it with the sketch pen, the next page became like this.
if you are coloring with sketch pen, it will become like that. So all of you completed. Nobody is having doubt. Yes or no? No.
Ma'am, can you look my ma'am?
Yes, I checked now. Everyone's. It is
Ma'am,
correct.
ma'am,
Once
I
if you are
have drawn
having doubt-
triangle.
Which one?
Triangle.
Triangle like this, it will come straight. This is the shape. Okay.
Ma'am, like this. Can you look my?
Yes, wait.
Sarah is wrong.
Sarah's not
Sarah is
correct that
wrong.
exactly.
Ma'am, 1/2 means 360, right?
No, 180.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes. So everybody has drawn. Next one, Srihari, you can read the question. Next question.
Can I see?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, 19th one.
You will get the
Others, all of you
chance.
mute. Others, all of you mute. Srihari, are you reading? 19th question.
I'm Srihari, read the question.
Yes, Srihari. Not there. Siddhi? Siddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next question, 19th question you can read now.
Okay, ma'am.
I am here.
Rotational patterns using smile.
Using smiley and one heart. Draw any two rotational patterns using the smiley and the heart. So you can draw any rotational shape. Any rotational shape you can draw it using this smiley and the...
Ma'am, I am here.
Yes. Srihari is here.
Yes.
Yes,
Had a
Srihari.
small network issue.
Okay. So you can, yes, already Devarsh has drawn. Devarsh completed. Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
Color
Tanvi.
it. 19th figure you can color it.
Ma'am, Tanvi.
Yes, Tanvi, very good. Color it. You can color it. It will be looking nice.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Aditi, it is good. You can color it. Still, you can draw many figures.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can color it. Now they are not talking. I am not reducing the marks. Okay, very good. Like this, everyone should sit silently.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hridvi.
Yes, Hridvi.
Can I color like this?
What is the color? You can color according to that color. Red and yellow.
Did
you
you
draw
color
that?
with sketch pen?
Sketch pen, if you are drawing, other page will damage.
Ma'am, what?
Yeah. Ma'am, I am coloring with my color
You
pen.
told that you can.
Siddhi is
Ma'am.
talking.
Excuse me,
Others,
ma'am.
please mute. Yes.
Ma'am, you told you can draw with the sketch pen.
Sketch pen if, without damaging other page. Because somebody
You
has
should
drawn.
color. If you
You can
want
color
to
it.
color with sketch pen, you should color it very lightly.
Lightly you should color, otherwise other page it will come. You
The
should.
ink will leak.
Yes, Siddhi, now you can mute.
What's the meaning of two rotational patterns?
Yes, draw any two.
I am coloring
Ma'am, it is
with my
not
color
me.
pen.
It is
You can color. You are not small children. You can color it. No problem. Please color. Color pencil or sketch pen according to your wish. No need of asking all these things. You should decide by yourself.
If the
two
picture is colored, you
rotational
can color it.
patterns means,
Yes.
ma'am,
Like that.
it's written two rotational patterns.
Yes.
So it means we have to draw it at 1/2 turn, 1/4 turn.
Quarter turn you draw it now. First one. Because 1/2 turn means all the figures will come same. Quarter turn, both the figures you can draw it. Half turn means again the same shape will come. Like that also you can draw it. No problem. But you start for draw any two rotational patterns using. Yes, Manchima, correct, very good. You can color it now, Manchima. Dia, did you complete? You have shown the answer to me?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know how to draw it.
Ma'am, I was absent in that class.
You were absent. Yes. Who completed? Devarsh, you completed. Show the answer to her now.
Ma'am,
Devarsh? Yes, Devarsh, you can see the answers now.
Ma'am,
Yes. Felix also completed now.
ma'am, I don't have yellow color with me. So what I will do?
Yellow color, afterwards you paint it.
But I don't have yellow color, ma'am.
Yellow color, one color pencil you buy after finishing this class. Yes, Aditi also. Yes, Priya, Aditi, marks. Yes. Devarsh, you can show it again. Aditi. Yes. Aditi also showing the answer. Yes. Did you see
Ma'am,
that?
can I color it orange? Ma'am, I see.
You can see it, Aditi. Okay.
Ma'am, can I color it orange?
Yes, you can do it. No problem now.
Ma'am, Nainika also I don't have yellow
Ninika,
color.
Tanvi, it is correct. But you colored with the red color both. Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, because I was picking red and I forgot to do the
Yeah, did you
red
see
and
that?
smiley.
Ashwil, Janika, did you complete? Sarah, did you complete?
Ma'am, I am doing it, ma'am.
Doing it. Mayuk, did you complete?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Doing. Manav? Manav, did you complete? Rian, did you complete it?
Ma'am, Manav.
Manav is doing. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
can
I
color it
finished
now, Manav. You can, yes, Sarah. You can color it beautifully. Then, yes, Aditi. You colored it. Good. Any turn you can draw it. Srihari, did you complete?
Coloring.
Coloring.
Ma'am, is my correct?
Who's that?
Kirtana.
Where is Kirtana? I should see now. Raise your hand, then I will see. Raise your hand.
Felix.
Yes, Felix.
I colored it.
Yes, Felix.
Siddhi.
Felix's shape is not coming. Smiley is not seeing there. Not smiling.
Siddhi.
Now can you see?
Siddhi.
Kirtana, yes, Kirtana. Now I can see.
I
But
can
you are
see
not coloring it.
Felix.
Yes, Felix.
Felix.
Siddhi, Siddhi, raise your hand. Then I will see now.
Okay, ma'am.
Siddhi, Hrudvi. Hrudvi only showing or Siddhi?
Siddhi.
Siddhi. Ah, yes, Siddhi. I told you, no? Yes, correct. Two more patterns you can draw it.
Okay, ma'am.
Dhanvin, I saw it. Okay, very good, Dhanvin. Yes, raise your hand. Otherwise, I will not see.
Srihari.
Yes,
Can do the
Srihari.
next.
Srihari's which turn you did now? Half
Ma'am,
turn or quarter?
First I did the emoji upside down.
Yes, that means half turn you took.
Half turn of emoji and the heart first time. Then I put the quarter turn of the heart and emoji.
Okay, no problem. One is half turn and both of them should be same turn. One half turn he did and the other one quarter turn he did. Okay. Avantika, did you complete? Maria, did you complete? Show me your answer. You did not show me your answer. Maria, did you understand?
Just doing.
Doing. How much you completed? Show me now fast.
Coloring, ma'am.
No, show me how much you did. You understood how to draw it. Yes, show me the figure. Okay, you are coloring it. Okay.
I'm Felix.
Felix, I saw it. Very good. Why it is like this? Emoji. Why you are
We can do the next question also.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can
because
do the next question also.
Ah, yes,
and
next question.
because I drew the emoji and the heart in the different shapes, so it was like that. So I matched it
Matching.
with the same.
Same.
this.
Okay, okay.
First emoji is upside down. So second heart is upside down.
How much
And-
difficulty for identifying? Okay, no problem. Manav, you are not shown the answer to me, Manav.
Ma'am,
Yes. Raise your hand only.
Avantika.
Yes, Avatika, I checked now. Janvi, I checked now. Yes, correct.
Manav.
Manav. Yes, Manav. Okay, I checked now. Okay. Shall we go to the next problem?
Riza.
Yes, Riza, I checked now. Yes. Dhanvin, did you complete?
Ma'am, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Rudra Robin. Yes. I can see that. Yes, here, who is there now? Okay. So, shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Rian C. Bijoy. Next question you can read. 20th question. Rian C. Bijoy.
I haven't read Riza.
Complete the table.
Riza not read?
Ma'am, I didn't read Srihari because
But
Srihari red.
Srihari stand
Srihari red.
Why did ma'am call me again? Why
Yes.
did ma'am call me again?
Yes,
after
I will call
thunderstorm?
next time. Next time I will call because you are not there that time. Okay. Yes.
No, ma'am, he read.
No, he
He
did not.
read, ma'am. Srihari read the sending
Okay, leave that.
question.
Leave.
Felix,
Leave.
tell me,
I
why
will-
did ma'am
I will
call
give
me
another chance.
again
Hari, you
after
wait.
Tanvi?
Next one, 20th problem. You can read now. Rudra. No, Riyan C. Bijoy.
Ma'am. Complete the table to show how the shape will look after the given number turns in the anti-clockwise direction.
Yes. Complete the table to show how the shape will look after the given number of turns in the anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction, quarter turn. Can you draw it? Only 4 more minutes to complete now. Quarter turn in the anti-clockwise.
Ma'am, anti-clockwise is in left side, right?
Left side. Anybody finish drawing? First figure. Quarter turn, half turn, 1/3.
What should we do?
Complete the table. That is like, it is a Newton disc, I think. Newton's disc, I think. It is turning quarter turn. So it was straight when it will rotating left side like this. So the arrow mark will be and the wheel will be like this.
I am doubted with the second picture.
Second picture is leaf.
Yeah, leaf is pointing quarter turn.
Then if it is
Ma'am, the
again,
second picture we have to draw upside down.
yes, this is the figure. It will be coming like this. Newton's disc will be coming like this. First figure, anti-clockwise. Then again it will be coming down. Again it will go again. This is the first picture. You can decide.
Leaf has turned anti-clockwise quarter turn.
First
So what we
picture
will do first, and it
First
is
one like
showing.
this.
We should draw.
First one, is it correct, Riza?
Yes, Risa, wait. I will check it now. Risa,
Is my correct, Felix? First one.
Felix, first one.
Ma'am,
Yes, Felix, I am checking now, please. I am checking, wait. Yes, Manav finished all. Manav, that is not in clock. The figure is in anti-clockwise. So every.
Ma'am, I did it clockwise, ma'am.
No,
but
no, you have to.
in the camera is showing anti-clockwise.
No, why? You are done.
Ma'am, we should draw it as anti-clockwise.
Ma'am, we should draw it
Anti-clockwise.
We should draw anti-clockwise. Let me say something.
Let him say something. Others, please mute. Yes, Manav.
In the camera, look, if I wrote high, then it will show backwards, ma'am. That's
It will
the
be showing.
problem. I drew it clockwise, but in the camera, it's showing
Listen,
anti-clockwise.
you have to draw it in the anti-clockwise, not in the clockwise direction. You see it once.
Ma'am,
Yes, others.
That
Manav, you can
only
mute.
we are
Yes,
saying.
Felix. Yes, Felix, what is your doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
is my correct?
Yes, now
Lollipop.
lollipop. Lollipop is correct. Lollipop.
But ma'am, what I will do for
You can give the designs
is-
there.
ma'am, it is showing quarter turn, and we should draw also quarter turn. So
Yes. Draw
ma'am,
the
do that.
how it was on. Yes, Manjima.
Okay. Now I understood. We should draw it upside down.
lollipops are correct.
Yes, who is showing the answer? Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Nothing is there here to share the board. Risa, did you complete now? Who completed?
Ma'am, can you show how to draw?
The figure was, lollipop was like this, first figure. It is like,
Ma'am, can you show the second figure?
Yes, this was the figure, original figure they mentioned here. So many lollipops are there. Okay, then next one it is coming. It is in the anti-clockwise direction. Like this, you should draw it. All these designs you should give. 6 designs.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Then again it is coming down. These are the designs you should draw it. 6 designs also you have to draw it.
Ma'am, I finish.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask one thing, ma'am?
Yes. 1
Ma'am.
by 3 turn means you can draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Yes. Yes, Saida.
Ma'am, this 120 degrees, which angle?
120 is 1/3 turn. 1 by 3 turn. 1 by 3
Ma'am,
turn.
I am asking.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I am asking which angle it is. Angle.
So this is 90 degree. After 90, 30 more degree you have to take it. Not 180 exactly. If it is coming.
Ma'am,
How to draw the second
Ma'am.
figure?
Yes, you can show it. Already time over. Other teacher will be waiting. Bye bye. See you in the next class. You can complete it now.